Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an Amazon Fresh unboxing and putting away into my refrigerator. So I ordered these groceries on a Friday while I was still working. It was like around 2 o'clock and they got delivered at 5:46. They delivered it right to my doorstep. The total for all of these items came up to $99.63. It was actually $94.63, and then I added my tip. So it bought it to, I had a $5 tip and made it $99.63. So yeah, Amazon, in addition to Amazon Prime, like for regular household items, your regular Amazon Prime, I pay another $9.99 a month for Amazon Fresh groceries. And when I do that, you can either order from Whole Foods or Amazon. It's all included in the subscription for $9.99 a month. You never pay any delivery fees. And what I like about Amazon and why I shop for groceries there every week is because I feel like all of their groceries are reasonably priced. Like, I feel like these are the prices of groceries of how things have been. Everything makes sense. They're not, a local mom and pop farmers market who has to surcharge. A lot of the little odds and end grocery stores and bodegas in New York, they surcharge, and you know what is normally one price that a typical Walmart would be, any other grocery stores, they surcharge it up astronomically. So when I grocery shop for the week, just order all of like my non-perishable or my canned items, all of the sides, and then I'll go to my local meat market and my fish market and I'll get the main protein from there. And even those are still reasonably priced. So this Amazon stuff was $100, pretty much $99. I got 30 items. And then I'll probably spend about $20 or $30 at the meat and fish market combined, 15 and 15. And yeah, I can probably budget for the week and have like desserts and sides for about 130 bucks. What I do like about Amazon is their packaging. They use brown paper bags. That's so, healthy, non-toxic. And also when you order frozen items, they come with those type of lunchbox bags. So what I do is I fold them up and I save them for whenever I'm traveling somewhere and transporting food or stuff like that. I save those insulated bags. I love them. So when I'm unboxing my groceries, I like to put everything on the counter first, especially since I order groceries online, so I can start mentally making a checklist. Okay, did they pack this? Did they pack that? Was this a good batch of, bananas? Was this a good batch of salad? So I like to inspect my groceries before I just unpack one bag, put it away. I lay everything out and then I plan to put it away. And I was able to get myself a pack of razors, and like not the cheap razors, like those were, like some $6 or $7 razors, a 3-pack. So what I like about Amazon Fresh is you can get household items too. I've gotten like Ajax or like a pack of sponges or Dawn dish soap. You can get toiletries with them as well, and they all come together in the groceries. And I still wipe all of my groceries down. Remember during the pandemic, everybody was so obsessed with wiping groceries down and had their Lysol wipes and their Lysol spray. I still very much do that. Having worked in supply chain and in, the industry warehouse industry where you see when the lights go off in establishment, pests and rodents, they run rampant in the street, I said in the streets, in those places of business. They lay roach eggs, turds, people pick things up in the store, dust. Before I put any food in my fridge, I wipe it down. If I don't have wipes, I'll rinse it off. If I don't have that, I'll spray it depending on it, but I'm always gonna wipe something down before I put it away in my fridge. So here's a closer look at everything I got. I got 30 items. These, remember, it came up to $99. I have pancakes to make pancakes for breakfast. We got some Cheez-Its as a snack. The main dishes that I'm making this week is gonna be spaghetti. You see I have my ground beef and my peppers. I've got tomato sauce in the corner. I've got the bread for the spaghetti, so I'm gonna do spaghetti Texas toast. Another night I'm gonna do sliders. These are gonna be pulled turkey sliders. I'm gonna buy a turkey breast, put it in the crock pot, pull it apart, add that barbecue sauce in there, slap that on those Hawaiian rolls, and have some coleslaw. That's a chopped bag of coleslaw right there. So we'll have pulled turkey sliders and French fries in the bag. And then the next night I'll probably do. I bought the heavy whipping cream to make Marry Me turkey. You know how they have the Marry Me chicken, which is, the whipping cream, some pepper, some onions, a little tomato, a little cheese, and then I have orzo pasta in the back. So basically, the only thing in addition to all of what's on the counter that I need to buy for the week is just my turkey breasts, 2 packs of that. One for the pulled turkey and the other for the Marry Me over pasta. And I'll probably get 2 packs of turkey, and they're at the meat market. The turkey is only like $4 or $5 a pack. So for the pulled turkey, I'll get 2 packs. That'd be $10. And then for the Marry Me chicken, I'll get 2 packs. That'll be another $10. So that's right at $20. And that's all I need in addition to everything that's on the table that I got at $99. So yeah, I can really make meals stretch for the week with 120 to 130 bucks. And then as you see, I still have room for snacks. We had a box of Cheez-Its. I bought a bag of Jolly Time popcorn to pop at night. We have salad for me to eat during the day when I'm at work. Pancakes to make one day for breakfast. Probably on the weekend. I don't make pancakes in the morning before work. That's a weekend thing. And then that roll of turkey meat right there. I think it's like Butterball brand. It's a breakfast turkey sausage roll. It's really good. I make patties out of those. I'll freeze them. I'll put them in individual Ziploc bags and put 4 in them. And I'll pop them out in the morning, throw them in the broiler. Sometimes. That's probably the only thing I'll make real quick in the morning is that and biscuits. I didn't buy biscuits this week. But yeah, I bought that roll of turkey sausage, $6.99. So, and then that was just some Texas toast that I got. That's going to go with the spaghetti I'll make. That's organic tomato basil spaghetti sauce, and I got all the stuff for under $100. The mushrooms, the heavy whipping cream. I did buy some fruits. I got blueberries, some bananas, and a lemon. I like to put lemon in my water and stuff like that. And if I'm slamming things around, I'm tired. It was like 5:45 when these groceries got delivered on a Friday. Friday's my most hectic day at work with a whole bunch of calls and turning in my end of week reports and stuff like that. So it's already a high functioning day for me. But I kept saying, let me order these groceries, let me order these. I finally sat down on my lunch break, ordered them around 2:00, and here they are at my doorstep at 5:45. So I can't complain too much. And here I am, I'm just rinsing some strawberries off. I normally rinse and wash my vegetables and fruits with baking soda and vinegar and water just to get off any pesticides, any gnats, dust. A lot of times with the blueberries and stuff like that, it's always a big amount of sand at the bottom of the bowl once I rinse them off and let them soak. So this is more so the reason why I always wash my stuff off. So the strawberries that I got were organic strawberries at $3.49 for 1 pound. The vinegar that I just used to rinse these off, that was a new 64 ounce of vinegar that I just got today with the same delivery. It was $4.49. Those lemons on the counter, they were I guess 48 cents each, because it says for my quantity of 2 they were 98 cents. And then those blueberries are 18 ounce. I guess these are not organic because they don't say organic, but the 18 ounce was $3.79. And I apologize for the loud, noisy New York Friday night ASMR, ambulance, police, people screaming noises. But it was raining this day, and whenever it rains, I try to open my windows and just enjoy the rain sounds. Enjoy that breeze that follows after as well. We always get like this nice cool breeze. So I was trying to enjoy some of that. So here I'm just unboxing some of these LaCroix drinks. We love those drinks in this household. We guzzle them down, and I don't feel bad because it's water, no sodium. It's just carbonated water, so I don't feel bad about it. So we keep these in the fridge. Like sometimes we'll buy 3 cases at a time because they're only like 3 and change, $3.49 or something like that. We were ordering Pellegrinos really hard at one point. We were ordering a 4-pack, so they come in the same box just like this, but it's 4 of them, and that was $20 on Amazon. But we're just trying to be more, frugal. So those little boxes are 3 and change. We'll just get like 2 or 3 of those at one time. So here I'm just rinsing the fruit off. As you can see, that little sediments, it's like some sand or something. That's why I rinse it off. If you can still see it in the bowl, it's brown. So I'll just rinse those fruits off. I'll rinse the bowl out, and then I'll transfer it into the fridge. So based on everything I've shared about Amazon and their groceries and the pricing, let me know in the comments if you guys would try out the Amazon groceries, or if you have in the past, what was your feedback? I've used them for quite some years now, and I've been pleased, and I think I'm gonna continue to use them. They have a lot of organic options at a pretty decent price. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of these fruits away, and I'm gonna toss some of the old stuff away in our fridge as well. We had some people over, so I ordered a cake from a bakery in Long Island. I think it's called Butter Cookie Bakery. We ordered a funfetti cake, and we had some people over, cooked out on our roof. So this was the last slice. We had people over the weekend before. That's Sunday. Was it Sunday or? Yeah, that's Sunday, and today's Friday, so it was time to toss that last slice. The red container I just moved was some sliced pineapple, if you were wondering. And that right there is just some sliced lemons that I have ready, so we can always squeeze them in a drink. And so this is my fridge. It's kind of junky, but this is real life, my fridge, how it looks. I try to wipe it down throughout the week. I try, but this is how my fridge looks. So once again, I really appreciate you for watching this video to the end. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like my content. Thanks everyone, and stay blessed.